Alright. Time to come back. Hopefully, maybe the results are done, you know? Talking to myself again. Oh, hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Actually, a good amount of stuff is going on right now. Magalore, he's making the sentient dark energy like we said. Remember? Oh, yeah. A way to more easily spread the dark super soldier serum, right? Yeah. So, Magalore, how's it going?
It's going fine. I almost have it finished. Soon enough, this dark serum will be able to spread throughout this with only the help of Dark Bowser's DNA.
Okay. Aren't you glad that we hired Magalore in the first place as like a scientist? I mean, yeah, it's been pretty helpful. I mean, Magalore, you're a scientist of the dark, of dark people, right?
Yes, I am. I am a scientist. I study dark.
Huh. Yeah, I mean, that's why we chose him, right? Yeah. I mean, it was pretty helpful. I mean, look at him now. He's probably gonna help us get one step closer to keeping the Stuffy Hat Plush Kingdom safe. Yeah. Thank goodness for Magalore. So, bro, you feeling okay with, the stuffing taken out of you so then we could experiment on it? Or I guess Magalore could? Yeah, it really was nothing. After, I was hooked back up to the machine, it was fine. Nice.
Oh? Incredible.
Wow, oh my gosh. It has the dark eyes just like you, Dark Bowser. Hey, it does. Huh. Wow, to think that out of just some tinkering done by Magalore, and with the help of us, obviously, we just made a sentient life form that could help transmit the dark DNA. Part of me kind of thinks that this is a bad idea, you know? Remember the last time we tried doing this and then, we created Dark Bowser Jr.? Ugh, it was horrible. I mean, he's still holding that plush hostage wherever he is. Yeah, looking for information or whatever. Yeah, but don't you think that maybe the dark energy thingy is a bad idea? I don't okay, I can see what you're talking about. But I would probably say that it's all right. I mean, we're gonna keep the fusion biology labs closed shut, so then this thing does not get out or anything like that. Plus, it might be sentient, but it's not like it can crazily be able to, influence things at a great rate. All right. Well, thanks, Magalore. You're really shaping up to be a part of our team.
It's finally finished. Finally, it's finished.
Well, with this, wait a minute. So, how does it transmit it to, people to turn them into dark? Well, in a while, we'll probably be able to, turn this guy into, shots and stuff like that, but as of now, it's basically, if it touches you, I'm pretty sure. Huh, that's cool. It's really cool, actually. Whoa, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Wait, so, oh gosh. Do I need like a hazmat suit or something like that? What do you mean? Oh right, yeah, if it touches you, that's probably a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna go get a hazmat suit on. Back on the table, little guy. Well, thanks for your help, Magalore. I mean, I don't... Where were you from, anyways? I know we haven't really had a chance to talk or anything, but...
It does not matter where I am from, and it matters only what I have done. And it's beautiful.
Yeah, I guess, but... whatever. So, are you ready to start the process on making these into, like, shot-like contraptions so then we can, like, start experimenting?
I may be ready for that, but I believe that there is a better way that we could approach this.
What do you mean?
I think that it would be in our best interest to let this dark energy become amazing.
And how is that?
By fusing it with another plush's DNA to make them all powerful.
Whoa, what? No, yeah, we're not doing that. Sorry, dude.
It would be in our best interest if we did this. We would be able to create something unfathomably strong, being able to turn it to its side with nothing. Think of its powers now, and think of its powers or how it could be if we just fused it. This is Fusion Biology Labs after all. Why let that name go to waste?
Yeah, no, sorry, you might not have gotten the manifesto about that, but no, we are not making all-powerful plushes anymore, at least ones that are definitely, like, sentient like this one. I mean, this one, it's already getting a little strange, but, I mean, yeah, no. You see, a while back, the original Fusion Biology Labs, we accidentally created a super soldier, but it had a mind of its own. His name is Dryer Bowser Jr., and he became a horrible, like, plush, really, and, well...
This does not matter. What matters is what could be. All of the possibilities if we just turn this dark energy into a pure being of raw power. That would be in our best interest. Although it would be slightly tainted by the DNA that we fuse it with. I feel that it would be in our best interest, no matter what your past failures have led you to.
No, just no. Huh? What are you guys talking about? Can you back me up? About what? About, Maglor here wants to turn the dark, sentient being into, raw power, whatever. He wants to fuse it with another plush's DNA to make an all-powerful plush. Yeah, that would also...
Hey kids, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, I want to put on a hazmat suit just like Dry Bowser, please do not, because that would not be in your best interest, because putting things like this over your face is actually not good. And since Dry Bowser here is a plush, it does not matter, because he does not need to breathe.
Yes, I do.
Okay, whatever. You got the memo.
No. Sorry, Magalore, but we are not going to be doing that. We are not going to be creating something like that. I mean, last time we did that, we created an accidental basically a terrorist.
You will regret not listening to what I have to say.
Was that a threat? Yeah, come on, dude. We were just bonding here.
It is no threat. The only threat is the mistake that you've just made. I quit.
Wait, Magalore! There they go. Gosh. I wish if he just would have listened, you know? It's for the best, I guess, buddy. I mean, if we let him stay and create something like that, then we might have another Dryer Bowser Jr. on our hands. Just stinks that our opinions differed from his. Alright. Well, it's around closing time anyways. You wanna lock up the dark serum? Sure, sounds good. Alright, I'm gonna go start up the security protocol. Alright. You come here, little buddy.
There's the third one. Good. Perfect, in fact.
Hey, Magalore, I just wanted to say sorry for, everything. Sorry that, we have to see you go. If you really just want to change your mind and,
No. It's fine. I did what I needed to do here. I'm fine.
Okay, I guess. Well, I guess good talking to you.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, and, by the way, since we're planning on taking more of Dark Bowser's DNA to make more of that, Dark Super Soldier Serum, do you think that, you could still let us keep that, stuffing renewal device? I mean, I think it would be the best anyways.
Sure. Well, it's getting late. I must leave. As will you two, I presume.
Yeah. We don't live here, obviously. We're actually closing up right now. Alright, I guess safe travels home, Magalore.
They're leaving. I suppose I will leave as well. For an amount of time. One hour later.
Alright. Well, I guess that's it. Come on, Dry Bowser, let's go. Yep, I'm right in ahead of you. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I just gotta check something real quick. Yep. Alright. Time to go. Alright, let's go. Goodbye, Fusion Biology Labs. We'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Another hour later.
let's get since we have the annoyances out of the way, we can finally build the thing that he needs. Right here. Yep, that's it. That's what I need. There we go. Wait here. I need the other ingredient. Oh, I've almost forgot. I must start up the device first. Good thing I disposed of those, or I would be drawing quite the attention to myself. Yes, just what I was looking for. Let me set it up. Yes. It's perfect. It's all set already. Come here. Now all I need is the second ingredient. I know just the place. They thought I didn't know about this place. Where they get all of their DNA. What to choose? What to choose indeed. Who could be the perfect specimen? Who could be the perfect specimen? There's so many options. From the strongest to some of the not strongest. Who should it be? I need to choose someone of great power. Someone who would be able to maintain this type of power. But who? Who could it be? What? What was that? What? What? And who? How? None the matter. That just means I need to do this quickly. Okay. Oh dear, he's coming my way. Okay, I got it. Okay. There we go. Oh dear. Be sneaky.
must find a way to put this DNA in there. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Wait, where's the start button? It's over there. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Yes. It started. I need to get out of here. Quick.
What is this? I don't remember this being here. Protection procedure start. What shall I do with it when I am finished? I will put it in a hypersleeping chamber.
The following morning.
All right, come on, Dry Bowser. We got some work to be doing. That is true, especially since Magalore left. Yeah. All right. Oh, I'll go get on my hazmat suit. Okay. I'll get the... What? Wait. Oh, no. I knew I should have closed the stupid box. Dry Bowser, you can come back here. It's gone. It's what? The thing's gone? But we need it. For the, Yeah, I know. I must have snuck out somehow. Oh, gosh. Wait, no. The doors were off. We need to find this thing. Wait, didn't you get a message from Metal Mario about the security cameras being turned off? Oh no. Oh no. Somebody took it. Who could it be though? Who could it? Do you think maybe Magalore did this? Magalore? What? No, of course not. Right? I don't know, dude. We need to find this. Yeah. I think somebody took it. That would explain the security cameras, but who could have done it? I mean, it couldn't have been Magalore, right? Oh, we can't be too naive. Very well could have been. Okay, I guess we gotta keep an eye out then. We should start a task force or something to find that. Yeah.
first candidate has been selected. This is a good start. I think I'll leave it in the stasis chamber. After all, everything needs to grow, right?